Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious DIY ice cream with an easy guide. You only need 3 main ingredients and no special machine. First, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are very cold. Then, whip 2 cups of heavy cream until it's light and fluffy, forming stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, carefully fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This simple base is the secret to creamy, no-churn ice cream. Now for the fun part, customizing your flavors. After you've mixed your base, you can add almost anything. Try folding in 1 cup of crushed cookies, a half cup of chocolate chips, or a 1/4 cup of chopped nuts. For a fruity twist, swirl in a half cup of berry puree. You could also add a half teaspoon of almond extract for a distinct flavor. The possibilities are truly endless, allowing you to create your perfect personalized treat every time. Once your ice cream mixture is ready, it's time to freeze it to perfection. Transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container like a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Make sure to cover it tightly with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the surface to prevent any ice crystals from forming. Then, place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. For the best scoopable texture, let it sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade delight. Finally, it's time to enjoy your incredible homemade ice cream. Serve it up in your favorite bowl or a crispy cone. You can add fun toppings like a handful of fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or a sprinkle of colorful candies. To make scooping easier, run your ice cream scoop under warm water first. Any remaining ice cream will stay fresh in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next craving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.